Hi guys, so welcome dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na yung lesson 26 sa ating set theory. Ito na yung linear Diophantine equation. So, ang ginawa ko is tumalon muna ako from modulo, so from congruence modulo. Tumalon muna ako somewhere sa isang somewhat related pa rin sa kanya kasi gagamit pa rin naman tayo ng mga Euclidean algorithm dito. So, this is all about divisibility pa rin. So, kino-consider pa rin natin dito yung divides. Okay, although ito naman yung mga way na iba isa-solve natin kasi ganito, meron tayong system of equations. So kunyari 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, then x plus 2y is equal to 4. May possible solution yun kasi 2 equations, 2 variable, tama. And ngayon, what if yung equation natin is just 2x plus 2y is equal to 3? Okay, so ano yung possible value ng x and y in which magsasatisfy yung equation natin? So 2 variable tapos 1 equation. Okay, so ang tanong, sir, possible po ba yun? So in this case possible siya, pero may tawag muna sa mga yun. Okay, so let's start. So a Diophantine equation is an equation whose solution is confined only to the set of integers. Again, a Diophantine equation is an equation whose solution is confined only to the set of integers. So consider natin si 7x, or 18, consider natin to si 7x plus 10y is equal to 17. Okay, so para sa akin that is a Diophantine equation. So bakit? Anong value ng x and y yung magsasatisfy para dyan? So sir, by inspection, it is easy to get that x must be 1 and y must be also 1. Tama. So by inspection, x is clearly equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so meaning by inspection kaya siya. Tapos 1, yung x and y, yung value ng x and y are both integers. So sabi nga the word confined, so meaning dapat yung result lang is integers, whether it's negative, 0 or positive. So that is always an integer. So yun yung isa sa mga sure. So again, the Diophantine equation is an equation whose solution is confined. Okay, so may iba kasi equation, possible solution is decimal or something. So that is not a Diophantine equation. Okay, so in this case, this is a Diophantine equation. Bakit? Kasi may value tayo ng x and y in which there are both integers. Okay, so ngayon ito yung tanong, sir, kaya po ba namin yung solve lagi? So by inspection po ba lagi? So ganito kasi, hindi sa lahat ng oras si 1, 1, 1 lang. So the solution is 1, 1, obviously kasi x, y tayo dyan eh. So the solution is 1, 1. So hindi laging nangahulugan na dapat 1, 1 siya. Okay, so may mga possibility rin na may possible negative siya. So ano yung ibig sabihin ko dito? May possibility na more than 1 yung solution. So sir, ibig sabihin 1 equation, 2 variable, tapos there are possible more than 1 solution. Yes, possible yon. Okay, possible din na there are infinitely many solution. Depende sa parameters na makukuha natin dito. Okay, so again, ayoko i-close yung mindset nyo na dapat ang solution ng natin dyan is just 1. Okay, so porket 1 variable, porket 1 equation at 2 variable, meron lang isang mag-satisfy dyan na ordered pair para i-solve. Again, hindi siya laging ganun. Alright, so let's have theorem 11.1. So sabi, given two non-zero integers a and b, where d is the GCD between a and b, then the linear Diophantine equation, so again, then the linear Diophantine equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c has the solution or has a solution if and only if d divides c. So ganito lang kasimple. Kukunin ko yung coefficient ng x and y, kunin mo yung GCD ng coefficient ng x and y. If the GCD ng A and B divides si C, o yung ating constant term na lagi nasa left side, nasa right side, okay, therefore yung ax plus by is equal to c. So again, if ganun yung mangyari, therefore meron siyang solution. Okay, so ito yung una dapat mong i-test. So for example, nakita mo hindi niya dinidivide, ibig sabihin wala siyang solution. So no need para hanapin siya kasi may ano tayo dito, may method talaga tayo dito. Okay, now if the equation has a solution, then there are infinitely many solutions of the form. So again, infinitely many solution in the form x is equal to z over d x naught plus b over dt, and y is equal to z over dy naught plus a over dt, where t is an element of integer. So again, that is x naught and y naught, not x sub 0 and y sub 0. Okay, so huwag niyo ako tanongin bakit siya x naught, pero usually kasi pag navigation kasi, 'di ba, pag ang pagkakaalala ko lang is something na yung naught or nautical, yun yung ginagamit natin para malocate. So whenever we say x naught or y naught, so para siya yung origin or something, locate ko siya somewhere doon, so arbitrary pa rin siya. Okay, so ikaw discard mo kung basahin siya x sub 0 and y sub 0, okay lang naman. Pero ako nga, basa ko dyan is x naught and y naught. So masanay ka na rin kasi lalo pag ako yung nagdi-discuss. So again, ito daw yung form. So yung x is in the form na to. So sir, ano yung x naught, ano yung y naught na yan? Yung x naught and y naught na yan, so kung maaalala mo, where x naught and y naught satisfies the equation ax naught plus by naught is equal to d. So kung naalala mo, ito yung linear combination natin dati. Okay, ito yung linear combination. So, linear combination of, like ko lang, this is a comma b is equal to d. Okay, so kung gagawin ko siyang linear combination, that is ax plus by is equal to d. Naalala nyo. Pero dito, gagawin natin siya x naught and y naught. So, ano ibig sabihin? So, naalala nyo si Euclidean algorithm, tapos yung reverse process niya, pwede natin siyang kunin doon. Okay, so again, yung Euclidean algorithm yung gagamitin natin dito. So kung naalala nyo, using Euclidean algorithm, hinanap natin yung kanyang GCD, tapos may reverse process nun. Okay, so para mahanap yung value ng x and y, ginagamit natin yung reverse process para mahanap yung value ng x and y. So reverse process ng Euclidean algorithm. So gagamitin pa rin natin siya dito. Okay, so steps on solving linear Diophantine equation. So ito yung mga possible steps natin or steps target natin. So ako, ito ay nilagay ko, wala talagang nakalagay sa book na ganito. So inilista ko lang talaga siya to be honest. So I don't know kung ito yung exacto, pero ito kasi yung way or step na gagawin ko. Okay, so number 1, test if the solution exists. So that yun nga yun. So sabi, that is the GCD between A and B must divides C. So the solution exists if GCD of A and B divides C. So mag-go ka. If ever hindi, tigil. Okay, next, find the value of x naught and y naught in ax naught plus by naught is equal to d using Euclidean algorithm. So that's the reverse process ng Euclidean algorithm natin. Okay, so kung naalala nyo yung mahabang method na yun, gagawin ulit natin ito dito. Okay, number 3, form the general solution as stated in theorem 11.1. So, ano sinasabing form the general solution? So, kung papansin mo, ma-identify mo kasi ano yung A, B, and C. Also, ma-identify mo what is D. Okay, kasi sa yung GCD. So, ito yung solution. Okay, so for x, that is C over dx naught plus y, B over dt. And y is equal to C over dy naught plus A over dt. So, hahanapin mo yung value ng x naught using yung number 2 plus yung y naught. Then, substitute lang natin lahat. So, ano yung matitira? Probably. Ang matitira is yung t. Okay, so ito ang gagawin mo. We set x is greater than 0 and y is equal greater than 0 and solve for t. So meaning kapag natin x is 0, so meaning this is greater than 0, then isa-solve natin siya. Okay, so therefore that is the value of t. So pag hanap mo yung value ng t o yung possible value of t, then substitute natin siya para mahanap naman yung value ng x and y. So using yung value ng t, balik tayo doon sa na-solve natin na solution na yun or doon sa ating general solution, lagay natin doon. So given yung t, ito yung value. Kunyari, given t is 1, so what's the value of x and y? T is 2, what's the value of x and y? So ganun yung gagawin natin. So depende rin sa dami ng t. Okay, so yan, pag sinabi mo infinitely many, possible na napakarami yan. Okay, so let's start. So, para mas maintindihan, syempre, kailangan natin ng example para magawa natin yan. Okay, so examples kasi yan. So, tatlo kasi dito nilagay ko. So, find the solution of 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So, try natin. Okay, so ano yung unang gagawin? So, sir, pinakamadali siguro unang gawin natin is to identify the value of a, b, and c. Then, proceed tayo dun sa mga step mo. So, I think yun yung pinakamadali or best way na pwede kong masabi sa inyo. Identify mo yung value ng A, B, and C. Okay, so we all know that the value of A is the coefficient of X. The value of B is the coefficient of Y. And the value of C is the constant term. Okay, so in this case, the value of A, is equal to 3. Okay, the value of B is equal to 4. Okay, and the value of C is equal to 7. Okay, now, for step number 1, we need to test if the solution exists. So, A, B divides C. So, ito yung gagawin natin. So, does the solution exist? So, ito yung mga tanong. So, una, we have A, B divides C. So, this implies what is AB? This is 3, 4 divides 7. So, we all know that the GCD between 3 and 4 is 1. Okay, kasi they are relatively prime to each other. Okay, so therefore, so this implies that 1 divides 7. Okay, so the solution exists. So, solve n yan. Okay, so therefore, the solution exists. Or exists. Okay, so next is, after that, hanapin natin yung value na x0 and y0. Or before that, i-form muna natin yung ax0 plus by0 is equal to d. So, we all know that a, b. So, we all know that a, b. Since we have 3, 4 is equal to 1, the linear combination of that is 3 x0 plus 4 y0 is equal to 1. Okay, so next is, syempre, hindi naman tayo nag-undergo ng GCD. Kung naalala nyo, hindi naman tayo nag-Euclidean algorithm. Pero check na rin natin, no? So kung naalala nyo, paano ba tayo mag-Euclidean algorithm? So given si 4, so ito yung 4 is equal to 3 times 1 by division algorithm plus 1. So by division algorithm, yung 3, 4, ito yung form. Okay, pag divide mo si 3 kay 4, pag divide mo si 4 kay 3, ito yung lalabas. That is 4 is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. So gagawin natin siyang form na ganito. So in this case, this is 4 times 1. Tama? So this is 4 times 1 plus 3 times negative 1 is equal to 1. Then arrange lang natin konti. That is 3 times negative 1 plus 4 times 1 is equal to 1. So, nagkataon lang na madali ko siyang nahanap. So, therefore, what is the value of x0? So, x0 is equal to negative 1 and y0 is equal to 1. Okay, where d, ano yung value na d? So, lagay ko dito. So, d is equal to 1. Okay, so, now, may value na tayo ng x0, y0, a, b, c, d. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now, form the general solution as stated in theorem 11.1. So, sabi nung x, what is the value of x? X daw is equal to C over D x0 plus B over D T. Okay, so lagay ko lang yun. So, this is x is equal to C over D. So, that is 3 over 1 multiplied by negative 1 kasi that is x0 plus B, that is 4 divided by 1, then T. Okay, therefore, x is equal to negative 3 plus 4T. Okay, next. Para sa y, like ko lang. So, this is y is equal to C over D, then y0 plus A over D, T. So, this is y is equal to C. C is 7. Sorry, may mali akong nalagay. Sabi C over D, no? So, I guess this is 7. Buti na lang, nakita ni sir. So, this is 7. So, this is negative 7. Probably. So, buti na nakita ko agad. Kasi mag-check tayo mamaya. Okay, so this is 7 over 1 times positive 1. Then, plus, this is 3 over 1 times T. So, therefore, y is equal to 7 plus 3T. Okay, so, ayun yung dalawang general solution natin o yung general solution natin na pwedeng gamitin. So, x is equal to negative 7 plus 4T. Then, y is equal to 7 plus 3T. So, now, punta tayo sa solution number 4. For number 4, we need to set x is greater than 0. Okay, then goal natin is i-show natin na yung value ng, so I think try ko lang, no? So set x greater than 0, then y is greater than 0, then solve for t. Okay, so gagawin ko yung x is equal to negative 7 plus 40, o set ko to na greater than 0. So ibig sabihin ko siya ay greater than 0, ang ibig sabihin lang negative 7 plus 40 must be greater than 0. Okay, kasi greater than 0 sa x eh. So therefore siya mismo equation is greater than 0. Then solve for t. So this is 40 is greater than positive 7, or t is greater than 7 over 4. So what is 7 over 4 by the way? So I think 7 over 4, hanapin ko na yung calcio ko rin. Okay, so 7 divided by 4, that is 1.75. Okay, so this is approximately 1.75 or equal to 1.75. Next, y is equal to 7 plus 3t. So greater than 0 din siya. So 7 plus 3t must be greater than 0. So 3t must be greater than negative 7, or t is greater than negative 7 over 3. Or ano yung value niyan? So what is negative 7? That is negative 2.33. That is negative 2.33. Okay. So paano tayo mag-a-analyze ng mga value? Yan. So yung mga possible value daw niya is gagawa tayo ng mga table equation, di ba? 1.75. So since greater than 1.75 siya, so yung mga possible solution niya pag greater than 1.75 siya, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so forth. Pag greater than negative 2.3 siya, so ibig sabihin si negative 2, si negative 1, si 0, and paangat. Okay, so yung mga possible values ng t natin dito are, so based sa mga possible values, start tayo kay negative 2, negative 1, 0, tapos pasok dyan si 1, tapos greater than 1.75, that is 2, 3, and so forth. Ayun yung mga possible value of t. So ngayon, pipick ka lang dyan ng value. So hindi ko sinasabing lahatin mo kasi minsan madami, kaya nga sinabing infinitely many. So for example, ang pinili ko 0 and 1. So kunwari pinili ko lang 0 and 1. So if t is 1, o kunwari if t is 0, so what is x and y? Okay? So if t is 0, what is x? So if t is 0, x is equal to negative 7 plus 4 times 0. So meaning, that is negative 7. So and y is equal to 7 plus 3 times 0. So y is equal to positive 7. So ibig sabihin lang, when x is equal to 0, the solution is negative 7, 7. So isang solution to. So try natin kung tatama. Substitute natin, no? So try mo yung substitute. So we have 3 times negative 7 plus 4 times 7. So check natin kung tatama yan. So 3 times negative 7 plus 4 times 7, that is 7. So okay tayo doon. Okay, so meaning tama yung t natin doon. So next is when t is equal to 1. So when t is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 7 plus 4 times 1. So x is equal to negative 3. And y is equal to 7 plus 3 times 1. So y is equal to 10. So another solution is negative 3, 10. So check natin. Negative 3, 10. Kung papasok ba siya sa solution. So that is 3 times negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 plus 4 times 10. So sobra. Okay, so ito yung check natin. Okay, baka mali yung solution na sir. So check ko lang, when t is 1, okay, so as I check, so sorry about dito. So, di ko din pinansin kasi iba yung nakalagay sa book eh. Okay, so sabi ni book, it should be, pag sa y, it should be minus. So, I stand corrected dyan. So, pakipalitan as minus yan. So, since minus siya, okay, so may konting adjustment tayo sa solution. So, this is probably y is equal to 7 minus 3t. Okay, so obviously magbabago rin to. Okay, so this is y is equal to 7 minus 3t. Okay, so since greater than 0 siya, so medyo babaguhin ko konti, sorry. So that is greater than 0. So 7 minus 3t is greater than 0. So that is t must be greater than 7 over 3. Tama. So what is 7 over 3? That is 7 over 3 or 2.33. That is 2.33. Okay, so isa sa mga value na possible. So meaning yung mga possible value mas range o mas mag-range dapat sa 2 pataas. Okay, pero although tama kay 0. Okay, so sabi naman so ito okay, ganito. I think hindi sa lahat ng oras applicable to si 4. Okay, so again, hindi sa lahat ng oras applicable si 4. So lagi mo isa-set na x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then solve for t. So hindi sa lahat ng oras i-apply natin si 4. Okay, so tandaan yan. So ako pinakita ko lang kasi gagamitin ko siya sa mga susunod na formula. Pero again, pag possible naman na mag-solve ka, kasi dito ang mangyayari, iba mag-set eh. So, yung possible value must be greater than 2, greater than 2.3, so that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, tama. So, magbabago konti yung solution. So, I think, hindi natin dapat isama to. Okay, kasi in general to eh. So, may mga theorem kasi under, pwede na sinama ko. Okay, so, for the meantime, whenever na-solve mo na to, yung negative 7 plus 40, tas y is equal to 7 minus 3. So, pag dito lang, okay, so I think napakasimple kasi na equation. So, mag-set ka lang. Kunyari, when t is equal to 0, okay, so clearly, x is equal to negative 7 plus 4 times 0. So, therefore, x is equal to negative 7. And y is equal to 7 minus 3. So, 7 minus 3 times 0. So, that is y is equal to 7. Yung unang solution is negative 7, 7, which is okay pa naman. Okay, next is when t is equal to 0, 1, sorry. So, x is equal to negative 7 plus 4 times 1. Okay, so x is equal to negative 3. And y is equal to 7 minus 3 times 1. So, y is equal to 4. So, pag tinik natin yung negative 3, 4, Kunyari negative 3, so 3 times negative 3 is 9, then 4 times 4, that is 16. So negative 9 plus 16 is 7, so tama pa rin. Okay, so again, hindi sa lahat ng oras applicable si 4. So I think hahanapin ko yung reason bakit. Okay, so not always applicable. So whenever okay naman, kumbaga sumakto agad yung solution pagdating dito. Okay, kumbaga sa t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1. Okay, therefore kunin mo yung values na yun. Okay, so again, kunyari kumuha pa ako ng 2, iba pa yung values yan. Kasi nga, infinitely many solution naman talaga. Impossible dyan. So, kung part ito, huwag nyo muna isulat. Kasi nga, possible naman na hindi natin kailangan to sa lahat ng oras. Okay, so nagkataon lang yung given ko is something na okay siya for all values of t. Pag-start ka sa t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 something. Okay, so parang flexible kasi yung mismong solution niya. Okay, so hanap tayo bang solution na kung saan i-apply ko yung number 4 na yan. Okay, so as I look, possible pala na pwedeng gamitin. So sorry kung pabago-bago ko ng check kasi nagkamali din ako ng tingin dito, no. So anong nangyari pala, in this case, sorry dito, ang mangyayari dito, pag transpose ko kasi magiging negative 3t is greater than negative 7. So na-aware kayo na pag nag-divide ako ng negative 3, magbabago yung inequality. So that is t less than 7 over 3. So meaning t must be greater than 2.333 something. So ang ginagawa niya, possible si 2. Okay? Since nga yun sinasatisfy niya, yun isa sa mga sinasatisfy talaga ni condition. Possible si 2. Okay, at the same time possible si pwede natin gamitin. Okay, so possible si 2. Mula dito, possible si 2. Sabi kasi paangat eh. So, ito mangyari possible K2, pero hanggang K2 lang. Kasi T is less than 2.3. So, ang mga possible value, since pababa doon, so, ang mga possible value niya, so, T must be equal to negative something, kunyari, negative something, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Hanggang dyan lang. Yun ang titigil yung mga values niya. Okay, so t greater than 2.75 tas t less than 2.3. So meaning yung mga integer pababa sa kanya tas yung mga integer pataas sa 1.755. So ayun yung mga kunin mo integer. So nangyari nga lang nag-intersect sila. So nag-intersect at 2. So meaning hanggang 2 lang yung maximum value. Okay, pagdating naman sa pababa, so sa dapat hanggang 2 lang ba? Hindi kasi sinasatisfy niya. So mas powerful kasi ito itong part na to. Okay, so I think applicable pa rin to. Pero sabi ko nga dito muna tayo. So, kung nyari, kaya naman i-apply na, kung baga mag-substitute ka na, tapos makukuha mo yung value. So, whenever sinasubstitute mo, so go lang agad. Okay, so, I think we can proceed sa number 2 na example, para makita nyo nga yung sinasabi ko. So, hindi ko na, tuloy-tuloy ko na lang din, para mabilis din yung pag-video. So, dito naman, so, find all positive solutions of 27x minus 37y is equal to 4. So, kung napapansin mo, tatanungin mo ko, sir, ang value po ng A and B, so yung B po is negative 37, tapos yung C is 4. So, sir, possible po ba yan? So, again, ang gagawin mo dito, i-disregard mo yung negative na yan, since ang kinukuha lang naman natin is yung coefficient ng A and B. So, although, sir, dapat kasama yung negative kasi sa form AX plus BY is equal to C, dapat sinasama ko po si negative 37. Pero, kung titignan mo or pag-iisipan mo, ano ba GCD ng 27 and negative 37? So, kung titignan mo, sir, hindi ko po alam. Or I think, yung magiging GCD na is something na negative. May GCD ba negative? Wala naman. Tama. So, ibig sabihin, ang kukonsider natin dito, ang i-consider natin na value dito para ma-test kung may solution siya, is kunin lang natin yung 27, 37. Tapos, dinidivide ba niya si 4? So, una, check natin if 27. So, what is 27, 37? So, 27, 37, this is 1. Okay? So, napaka-obvious na yan yung 1. So, that is D. Obviously, ito yung D. So, ano yung A natin? Again, A natin is 27. B natin is negative 37. Obviously, C natin is 4. Okay? Pero pagdating sa GCD, ko naman na yung positive. Okay, kasi nga, parang ang imposible makuha naman siya ng GCD pag may negative part. Okay, so kunin mo na yung positive part niya. So, obviously, dito, so we all know, so, solution exists. Since si 27, 37 divides 4. Kasi that is 1 divides 4. Tama tayo dyan. So, meaning, kunin natin linear combination or consider natin. So, kunin natin consider natin si 27, 37 is equal to 1. So, obviously, this is 27 x naught plus 37 y naught is equal to 1. Okay, so, ang goal natin is kunin natin yung value yan na magsasatisfy dyan. So, ano kayang klaseng value ng x and y yung kailangan natin para masatisfy yung value na yan. So, from here, punta tayo sa 37 and 27. So, aware tayo na si 37 pag dinivide kay 27. So, 37 pag dinivide kay 27 is 27 times 1 plus 10. Okay, so since hindi pa tayo tapos dyan, hindi pa natin nakukuha yung desired na 1. So, ang gagawin ko, 27 is equal to 10 times 2 plus 7. So, again, hindi pa rin tayo tapos dyan. So, we have 10 is equal to 7 times 1 tapos plus 3. So, check natin kung di pa. So, this is 7 is equal to 3 times 2 plus 1. Then, lastly, this is 3. So, this is 3 is equal to since nakuha natin ganyan, ano mangyayari? Nangyari is, naging GCD natin is something na, ayun, hindi pala 1, no? So, ano ba GCD ng 37 and 27? So check ko lang alalahanin ko. 37 is equal to 27 times 1 plus 10, tama. Then dinivide ko no, 27 times 2, 7 is 27, yes. 10, that is 7 times 1 plus 3, yes. Okay, then lastly 7 and 3, that is 3 times 2 plus 1. Okay, then 3 and 1, kung natin 3 and 1. So we have 3 is equal to 1 times 3 plus 0. Yun, tama. Okay, so therefore the GCD is 1. Okay, kasi nga ayun, ang GCD niya is 1. Dito ako bigla, nakalimutan ko. Okay, so nag-conclude na siya sa 0. So meaning, since yung GCD is equal to 1, therefore, ang gagawin natin dito, i-reverse natin yung mga process na yan, kung naalala nyo sa ginawa natin. So, starting tayo sa GCD dito. So, ano yung reverse process nito? Ang reverse process nito is 7 times 1 plus 3 times negative 2 is equal to 1. Okay, then dito, this is 10 times 1 plus 7 times negative 1, okay, is equal to 3. Next dito is 27 times 1 plus 10 times negative 2 is equal to 7. This is 37 times 1 is equal to, plus 27 times negative 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so and i-reverse natin yung process kasi kailangan nga natin siyang makuha. Okay, so we start with this. So paano yun? Start tayo kay 7 times 1. So 7 times 1, so we have 7 times 1 plus 3 times negative 2 is equal to 1. Okay, note, pag angat 3 ang kasunod. So meaning yung 3 yung papalitan natin. So meaning, ganito na lang, shortcut ko na, i-multiply ko, ito yung 3 na yan, i-multiply ko by negative 2. So that is equal sa 7 times 1 plus negative 2 times 1, that is 10 times negative 2. So direkta ko na, negative 2 times negative 1, that is positive. So that is plus 7 times positive 2 is equal to 1. Then solve natin, this is 7 times 3 plus 10 times negative 2 is equal to 1. Okay, next is, ang sunod pa, pag angat is 7. Si 7 yung papalitan natin, so i-multiply natin dito kay 3. Tama, so i-multiply natin by 3 itong mga to. So 3 times 1, that is 27 times 3. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. So mangyari, 27 times 3. So ang result, this is 27 times 3 plus 10 times negative 6 plus 10 times negative 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so obviously 27 times 3 plus 10 times negative 8 is equal to 1. So hoping na tumama yung sagot bang hinula. Next is ang bahuli papatan is 10. Okay, so 10, gawin natin, multiply natin to by negative 8. Okay, so this is 27. This is 27 times 3. So negative 8 times 1, that is plus 27 times negative 8 pa rin. Then negative 8 times negative 1, 37 to, sorry. Okay, then 27 negative 1 times negative 8, so that is positive. So this plus 27 times positive, I think positive 1. Positive 8 rather. Okay, is equal to 1. So check natin. Therefore, the value of 27, so this is 37, or this is 27 times 11 plus 37 times negative 8 is equal to 1. So check ko lang kung tama yung pinagagawa ko. Kasi mali. So 27 times 11, so dapat GCD is 1 plus 37 times negative 8. Okay, so tama naman. So ayun, so tama naman yung hula, sir. So therefore, what's the value of x naught and y naught? X naught and y naught is negative 8. So dito, x naught is 11 and y naught is negative 8. So now, we can proceed na dun sa ating 4. Okay, so sa 4, sabi niya, or step 3, I think. So sa step 3, sabi na i-form natin yung solution niya. That is C over D So kung naalala nyo, that is C over D X naught. So si X natin, that is C over D. So what is C? 4 over D, that's 1. That is 4 over 1. X naught natin is 11. Okay, then plus, that is plus B over D. B over D, B is 37. So negative 37 rather. So this is negative 37 over 1 times T. So simply this is 44 minus 37 T. So next is Y. Y is 4 over 1 pa rin. It is 4 over 1 kasi C over D pa rin siya. Then 11. So hindi to 11. This is negative 8. Kasi Y not to. Okay, then plus. Minus 27 over 1 times T. So this is simply negative 32 minus 27 T. So ayan yung mga possible values. So check ko lang. Ano yung ating X, ano yung ating Y. Hoping na sumakto yung solve ni sir. So ang nangyari, ang naging value natin is negative 8 naman yung isa, tama. So we have 44 minus 37, so tama naman. Then negative 32 minus 27. So bakit siya negative? Kasi we have negative 8. Tama naman yung solution natin. Okay, so check natin. Ano ba yung mga possible solution dito? So lagi ko na yung particular solution ha. So we have X is equal to 44 minus 37 T. So whenever X is greater than 0, this is 44 minus 37 T is greater than 0. So transpose, that is negative 37 T is greater than negative 44. Or simply, T is less than, kasi di-divide. So 44 divided by 37, that is 1 point something. So this is 1.19. Okay, so meaning 1 pababa yung mga possible gamitin. Next is kunin natin whenever X or Y is equal to negative 32 minus 27T. So we have negative 32 minus 27T is greater than 0. So this is negative 27T greater than positive 32. So divide, that is less than, kasi mag-divide tayo ng negative. That is 32 divided by negative 27. That is negative 1.19. It's negative 1.19. Okay, so ano yung mga possible value ng T? Ang mga possible value ng T is 1. Kasi T pababa, yung mga T 1.9 pababa is 1, 0, negative. As another possible value is negative 1 pababa. So meaning yung mga possible values ng T na pwedeng gamitin natin is from negative something. Okay, then from negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, then 1. So ayun yung mga possible value ng T. So kuha lang tayo ng isa or I think dalawa. So kuha lang ako sunod. Kunyari kinuha ko, hinugot ko si 0 sa kasi 1. Check natin ha. So kunyari hinugot ko si 0 sa kasi 1 or negative 1 I think. Kunin ko naman to 0 tas negative 1. So per initial natin kunin natin si T. So for T is equal to 0. Okay, so substitute ko na right away ha. So for T is equal to 0, X is equal to 44 minus 37 times 0, or simply that is 44. Okay, when T is equal to 0, this is negative 32 minus 27 times 0, which is equal sa negative 32. So ang sabi daw, that is 44 comma negative 32. So check natin sa solution kung tama. So 27 times 44 minus 37 times negative 32. Check natin anong lalabas. Okay, so sumobra. So I think something sa given na naman yung nag-error sa akin. Pero check ko rin. So okay, I guess. Okay, so gets ko yung idea niya. Okay, so sabi niya kasi sa idea niya, ang dapat mong kunin ng linear combination, sabi niya, is dapat ang linear combination na kuhanan ko is 27x naught minus 37y naught. So, y. Kasi galing siya dito. Okay, so kanina kasi plus. So i-consider natin yung negative siya somewhere dito. So ito, palitan natin ng negative. So ito yung magma-minus. So again, another error. So ito, konting adjustment na mangyari. This is 27 times 11 minus 37 times 8 is equal to 1. So meaning ito ay positive 8. Okay, since positive 8 yan, so konting adjustment lang naman, ito ay positive 32. Tama. So since positive yan, ito ay positive 32 rin. Ito ay positive. So therefore ito ay negative. So meaning ito ay t less than 1.19 din. Positive 1.19 din. So ano yung possible values niya? Ang possible values niya is pababa lang ng 1.19. So although tama pa rin naman. Tama. Pababa ng 1.19 is 1, 0, negative 1. Although tama pa rin. So dito lang medyo nagkamali. So this should be positive. Okay, and this is positive. So again, bakit ko kinonsider na yung dating aking linear combination is negative? Kasi negative yung given. Okay? Ang ginawa ko kasi, dinisregard ko si 27, si negative kay GCD. So bakit? Dinisregard ko para lang makuha ko yung GCD mismo ng digit o ng ating positive number. So para meron tayong GCD. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo, pag gagawa ka ng linear combination, whenever minus yun nando doon, ang linear combination na goal mo is minus din. Okay? So magi-start ka pa rin dito sa procedure natin, pero ang goal mong linear combination, so again, ang goal mong linear combination is yung may minus, okay, in which ito yung nakuha natin. So tandaan yan. So again, pag minus, ayun yung gagawin. So at least na-discover natin agad. So again, check natin to, that is 44 and 32. So check natin, no, kung tama yan. So 27 times 44 minus 37 times 32. So it should be 4 ang sagot. So tama, 4 ang sagot. Okay, so again, buti na nakita natin yung konting error doon. So next is when t is equal to 1. Next is when t is equal to 1. So that is x is equal to 44 minus 37 times 1. So which is equal sa 7. And y is equal to 32 minus 27 times 1, which is equal to 5, I guess. Okay, so that is 5 and 7. Tama ba 5 and 7? Kasi 44 minus 37, okay, tama. Then 32 minus 27, okay, tama. So check natin kung tama yan. So 27 times 7 minus 37 times 5. Okay, so tama pa rin naman. Okay, so solution is when t is equal to 1, x is 7, y is 5. Okay, when t is 0, that's x is 44, y is positive 32. So again, isa naman sa nadagdag na idea natin is ito yung gagawin natin. Tapos ito. So tandaan mo rin na pag nag-divide ka sa inequality ng negative, magpapalit ng inequality from greater than naging less than. Okay, so tandaan yan whenever nag-divide ka. Pero kung positive naman yun, okay lang. Okay, so although dito nag-negative kasi kinonsider natin negative 37 eh. Okay, so again, another thing, yung GCD. So sa GCD, kung may negative, disregard mo muna yung negative, kunin mo lang as if yung GCD ng number. Okay, so as positive natin. I-treat natin siya as positive. Okay, so hoping na nagets mo. So medyo pasensya rin kung medyo nagkakamali sir about doon kasi nga hindi ko rin napansin yung ibang solution or sa ibang sa pagkakatype. So iba rin yung naiisip ko kanina. Kasi nagre-ready din ako doon sa next natin na video. Pero don't worry, at least kahit pa paano nakukuha natin yung tamang idea. At least mas maganda na rin yun na nakikita ko nagagawa ko yung mali para at least naitatama natin rather yung mali para at least hindi ka na nagtatanong sa akin. So sir, paano kung ganito, paano kung ganyan? So sinadya ko ng hirapan yung given or pahirapan konti para at least magawa natin. Okay, now, so what if naman i-problem solving? So may tanong dito, nakalagay, sabi niya no. So a wallet contains $5 and $10 bills amounting $45. So how many of each kind will produce the given amount? So again, may wallet ka daw, tapos may $5 sa $10 bill doon. So ang total ng lahat ng 'yon, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung $5, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung $10 ko. So alam ko, ang total ng lahat is 45. So how many of each kind will produce the given amount? So obviously naman, ang ating linear o Diophantine equation dito. So obviously no, kung ito yung i-relate natin na x no. So kung i-relate natin na x to, so obviously ang linear Diophantine equation natin is 5x plus 10y is equal to 45. Okay, ang goal lang natin sinapin yung value ng x and y. So, ilang $5 and ilang $10 bill para mag-amount ng 45. Okay, so I don't know or hindi ko maalala kung may solution to sa algebra, pero I think parang may solution siya nun. So, hindi ko lang sure kung ito yung tamang approach. Pero check natin. So again, nakalagay nga 5x plus 10y is equal to 45. So since linear Diophantine equation siya, so check muna natin kung yung solution exists. Okay, so next is, una kunin natin yung 5 divides o yung 5 and 10. So yung GCD ng 5 and 10. So obviously, yung GCD ng 5 and 10 is 5. Okay, so lagay ko na yung solution dito. Paano nakuha yung GCD para hindi natin problemado mamaya. That is 10 is equal to 5 times 2 plus 0. Tama, so ang GCD is 5. No doubt about that. No? So, ayun na agad siya as if. So, next is, kunin natin yung solution exists ba? So, obviously, solution exists. Okay, since 5, 10 or GCD between 5 and 10 divides 45. Kasi 5 divides 45 naman. Okay, then consider natin since wala namang minus or plus or wala namang minus dyan. So, ang consider natin yung mismong GCD natin. So, consider si 5, 10 is equal to 5. So, the linear combination is 5x naught plus 10y naught is equal to 5. So, dito, I think napaka-obvious ng possible magiging solution kasi hindi natin siya makukuha dito eh. Okay, kasi eksakto. So, which means, pag division algorithm, eksakto siya. So, hindi mo makikita andyan yung GCD. So, obviously, since ito yung 0, obviously, ito na yung GCD natin. Tama. Kaso nga lang, hindi natin nakuha yung form na ganito by division algorithm, yung saktong gantong form. Okay? So, paano gagawin natin pag ganyan, sir? So, ang gagawin mo pag ganyan, eksakto naman, kung baka kaya mong agad hulaan, ano bang value ng x naught and y naught yung magsasatisfy dyan. So, obvious naman, na dapat si x naught is negative, si y naught is positive 1. Okay, yun lang yung possible na magsasatisfy dyan. So, it is obvious. Okay, it is obvious that x naught is equal to negative 1 and y naught is equal to 1. Okay, ayun yung possible solution niya. So again, sir, bakit hindi mo kayang isolve? Kasi nga, ganito yung form niya. Hindi niya nag-GCD ng 1. So in which hindi natin makukuha sa division algorithm or sa Euclidean algorithm yung reverse process. Okay, so pag ganyan, yan agad yung kunin mo. Hulaan mo or not hulaan, tansyahin mo. So, hindi sa lahat na oras. So ngayon, form na natin yung solution niya. So ano yung una? We have x is equal to c over d. So what is c? C is 45 over d, that is 5. Then x naught. What is x naught? X naught is negative 1. Then, this is plus, that is plus b over d. Tama, that is b over d. So that is 10 over 5, then t. So therefore, what is x? X is equal to negative 9 plus 2t. Okay, so ayan yung isa. Next, we have y is equal to c over d rin. So this is 45 over 5 times 1 minus, this is a over d. So a is 5 over 5 times t. So therefore, y is equal to 9 minus t. So ayan yung mga possible solution niya. Okay, so now we need to solve for the value of x naught and y naught. Okay, so, for the value of t. So, equate natin to greater than 0. So, to greater than 0. So, negative 9 plus 2t must be greater than 0. So, this is 2t must be greater than positive 9. Or t is greater than 9 over 2 or 4.5. Okay, next is si 9 minus t must be greater than 0. So, this is negative t is greater than negative 9 or t is less than 9. Okay, so ano possible value nito? So, ano yung mga integer na possible value dito? So, kuha ka lang na at least dalawa possible na yun. So, check natin yun para mas maganda. So, yung dalawang integer na possible dito is t is 5 and 6. Para dito kasi 4.5 eh. So, 5 plus 6. Dito naman yung possible dito, this is t 7 and 8. Okay, so ayun yung mga possible solution na. That is 5, 6, 7, 8. Doon lang talaga mag-limit as if. Okay, so since lang yung mga possible integer natin, so yung mga possible combination na mag-amount siya sa $45, yung possible combination ng $5 saka $10 bill is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yun yung value ng T rather. So, ito yung unahin natin. So, I think para mas elegant ganito gawin nyo. This is the value of T. This is X. What is X? X is negative 9 plus 2T. So, I think mas suggestion ko na gawin nyo to. This is 9 minus 90. So, sorry ngayon ko lang to naisip para mas maganda tingnan sa solution. Hindi ko naisip agad kanina. So, since that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then another thing. So, dito ko malalaman kung nakikinig ka. So, whenever pinahanap ko yung values niya. So, for example, tulad ng mga example 1 and 2 ko, umukuha lang ako lagi ng dalawa kung napapansin nyo. Okay, so, magsiset ako doon kung ilan yung possible values ng gusto kong kunin. So, for example, sabi ko, get at least 4 possible values or combination of X and Y. So, gawin mo yun. So, kumuha ka ng mga possible points doon. So, kunyari, ang dalawa lang talaga. Una, naipit sa dalawa lang. Then, dalawa lang. Okay, so, again, proceed tayo dito. So, when X is equal to, when T is equal to 5, so this is negative 9 plus 10. So, X is 1. When this is 5, this is 4. Okay, so, isang dollar daw. So, tama naman. Isang 5 pesos, tas apat na $10. Kasi, 40 plus 5, 45. Okay, pangalawa, pag 6, negative 9 plus 12, that is 3. Okay, so tatlong 5, tapos 9 minus 6, that is 3. Tatlong 5, tatlong 10. Tama naman kasi 30 plus 15. Okay, next pag 7, negative 9 plus 14, that is 5. Okay, so that is 5. So, 9 minus 7, that is 2. So, 25 tapos 20. Tama naman. Kasi, limang $5 tas dalawang 10 bills. Okay, lastly is 8. So, negative 9 plus 16, that is 7. I think. Tapos, obviously, this is 9 minus 8, this is 1. So, tama naman. Kasi, 7 times 5 is 35. Tapos, plus 10, that is 45. So, ang mga possible combinations are ito. So, 1, 4, 3, 3, 5, 2, and 7, 1. So, yun yung mga possible combinations ng $5 bill and $10 bill. So, again, hoping na naintindihan mo yung idea lalo dito. Okay, so strictly, kaya nga nilagay ko na sa ating step. Bakit ko nilagay yun? Para at least makuha mo na hanggang saan. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras nakukuha yung solution na. Kunyari, pick mo lang lagi sa 0, si 1, 2, 3. Hindi laging ganun eh. So tulad nito, ang possible combination lang niya is between 5, 6, 7, and 8. Doon lang mga values lang niyan. So wala si 0, wala si 1, wala si 2, wala si 4. Okay, so kaya sinasuggest ko na dapat i-greater than 0 natin lagi si X tapos si Y. So dun saka ka mag-decide anong klaseng values yung kukunin mo. Okay, so pasensya kung medyo natagalan ako dito sa video na to. So in-explain ko lang din talaga sa inyo siya na maayos. So thank you for watching. Hoping na panoorin mo next video. So next video is about linear congruence na. So proceed na tayo ulit by modulo again. So equation naman tayo involving modulo. So try natin mag-solve. So again, linear equation lang naman yun. So thank you for watching. Hoping na panoorin pa yung mga next video natin.